Here's today. Fears for Gazans grow as fighting gets fiercer. Not fears for another attack on Israel from the east if this is not taken care of. Nothing about they were going to, Hamas has stated they'll do this again and again and again. And that group is still largely intact. So it's going to have to be, but you're going to see that constantly. Every headline that you see is going to be like this.
We can't do anything about those headlines, but we can do something. And, you know, I started this foundation 4 years ago, and it's unbelievable. A little thing. We started this mass media campaign the beginning of April. We've had over 20,000 people without solicitation make gifts, $5, $10, most of them non-Jewish. And most Americans are good people. They don't like this hate, and they don't like what's going on, and they want to help. And this is what we see in our foundation. And Josh and his family have come in and really stepped up to do something that, you know, we had a little...
play the long game and sustain an effort to fight this hate in all forms. Right. In all forms. You shouldn't have 3 Palestinian young men walking down the street in Burlington, Vermont, and be afraid of being shot because of where they're from. So it's Jewish hate, it's hate in all forms, and we have to build a movement, which is what Robert's brilliance has been, and stand up and bring more people in. Hopefully we'll have 1 million contributions over the next few years, and we appreciate the attention you're giving to this matter.
We appreciate it.
Very grateful.
We were an entrepreneurial outfit that I started, and Josh and his family making the financial commitment. I don't know if you know the story of what they've done.
Well, I know that you grew up going to the Tree of Life Synagogue. Your parents,
yes, that's right,
were immigrants.
That's right. It really hit home, and my parents were children of immigrants, and their folks came to the United States at the turn of the century, as so many did, in search of freedom, safety, opportunity. Right. And we've all benefited mightily. And this man is someone of great character and integrity. And what a privilege it is for the Rales Foundation to partner with Robert's organization. And hopefully we can take it to the next level.
Well, you know, they committed $100 million and conditional on me matching. And so we have a fresh $200 million to work at this effort, where this project that we're on is not a 2 or 3 year project. Unfortunately, we're going to need it for decades. This allows us to completely be established and make commitments long term, and we're going to go out and get another 10 or 20 partners to solidify this effort.